Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Web3Modal for wallet connection UX step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have a basic understanding of Web3Modal and its purpose. Begin by installing Web3Modal in your project using npm or yarn. Open your terminal and run the command for installation. Once installed, import Web3Modal into your JavaScript or TypeScript file. Create an instance of Web3Modal by calling its constructor. Configure the options for Web3Modal. Specify the supported wallet providers like MetaMask, Wallet Connect, or others. Define the network you want to connect to, such as Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. Set up the local storage cache for the provider option if desired. Next, develop a function to trigger the wallet connection. Inside that function, call the Web3Modal's connect method. Handle the response and create a Web3 instance using the connected provider. Now, prepare to display user-friendly messages during the connection process. Add event listeners to detect connection events such as when a wallet is connected or disconnected. Implement error handling to manage potential issues during the connection. Ensure that the UI updates accordingly based on the connection status. Once connected, display the user's wallet address or balance, if applicable. Test the integration thoroughly across different devices and browsers. Finally, fine-tune the user interface for an optimal wallet connection experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.